Hello, lovely soul! Ayan, welcome back po sa aking channel. So, stop doubting yourself, lovely soul. Okay? Kung natatakot ka pa rin, nangangamba, you are blocking the blessings na ibibigay sa iyo ni universe. Okay? And, kaya ka ginising ng Panginoon upang maipakita mo yung iyong authentic self at makilala mo kung sino ka talaga. Okay? Kaya kung natatakot ka pa rin until now, nagda-doubt ka pa sa iyong kakayahan, dapat alam mo na you are protected and you are guided by your guardian angel. Okay? Kung hindi ka man paniwalaan ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo o ng mga ng iba, kung hindi ka man nila paniwalaan, it's okay because it's not your job to make them believe in you. Okay? Hindi mo trabaho na papaniwalain sila sa'yo. It is your guide's job. Okay? Tutulungan ka ng iyong spirit guides, ng iyong guardian angel para maniwala sa iyong kakayahan ang iba. Okay? Kaya, just continue to show your authentic self. Okay, lovely soul? And when you show your authentic self, it is the manifestation of what God has put in you. Okay? It is the manifestation kung ano yung ibinigay sa iyo or inilagay sa iyo ng Panginoon. Okay? It is God exposing, it is God revealing what God put in you. Okay po, lovely soul? So, just continue to show your authentic self. And know that you are protected and guided by your guardian angel. Kaya stop doubting yourself, okay? So, yun lamang po, lovely soul. Thank you for watching. God bless and I love you. Ay, kung mayroon po kayong mga gustong ipagdasal ko, ilagay nyo lang po dyan sa comment. Okay? I-comment nyo lang po dyan kung ano yung mga gusto nyo na ipagdasal ko para sa inyo. Okay po? Thank you and I love you.